We'll guide you through how to make wall texture in Illustrator. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by locating and opening Adobe Illustrator on your desktop. Allow the application to load completely, then click File and choose New to start a new document. When the Canvas creation menu appears, select the document size that best fits your project. After choosing the size, click Create to open a new artboard. Next, select the rectangle tool from the toolbar and create a single rectangle on the artboard. This rectangle will serve as the base surface for the wall texture effect. Once the rectangle is created, change its color to gray or any wall color you prefer. Different colors can produce different visual results, so feel free to choose a color that matches the style of your design. After setting the color, select the rectangle and open the window menu. From the available options, choose the Appearance panel. Make sure the rectangle remains selected throughout the process so the effects are applied correctly. In the Appearance panel, locate the fill entry and choose to add an effect. Go to the Effect menu, select Pixelate, and then click 𝗧𝗛𝗘𝗗𝗗. A new settings window will appear on the screen. Change the type setting to grainy dots, and then click OK to apply the effect. This effect introduces small texture details that help simulate the uneven surface of a wall. To make the texture more visible and realistic, duplicate the effect 2 or 3 times. Layering the same effect increases the amount of detail and creates a richer texture. After duplicating the effect the desired number of times, return to the Fill entry in the Appearance panel and add one final effect. Open the Effect menu again, choose Artistic, and then select Cutout. Another settings window will appear. For this tutorial, you can simply use the default settings and click OK. The cutout effect helps simplify and shape the texture, giving it a more natural wall-like appearance.